Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am gonna show you how to remove complete tasks on Asana. So this is very simple method. Just follow all these steps. First of all, you can see this is the main interface of Asana. So on the left side, my tasks and other options are available, but we will click on my tasks. You can see all the tasks are here, but now on right side, we will click on completed tasks. Now click on all completed tasks. Now you can see these tasks are available. Now we will click on incompleted tasks and you can see the completed tasks are removed. So in this way you can easily remove the completed tasks on Asana. Now again you can see we will click on completed tasks. Now again we will click on incompleted tasks and now you can see completed tasks are finally fully removed.